friends, welcome to the CloudWeek YouTube channel. My name is Manoj and today we will learn how to migrate OneDrive for business accounts to Google Workspace Drives. So this method will work if you are using Office 365 OneDrives. So if you are a Office 365 user and you have migrated your data to Google Workspace, or you are planning to migrate your data to Google Workspace. So this video is for you. So you can move your Office 365 OneDrive data to your Google Workspace Drive accounts. We earlier have recorded the video for migrating mailboxes from Office 365 to Google Workspace. So if you are looking to migrate the mailboxes also, so you can watch that video. I will share the video in the description. So this is the guide we have prepared for the migration. So you can also check out this guide. So these are some prerequisites that you will require for performing the migration. So you should have Google Workspace Super Admin access, and all the users should be created in your Google Workspace account and the proper license should be assigned. And Google Drive must be on for all users. Also, you should have Microsoft 365 Global Admin account. So let's proceed with the method. First, you will need to go to the Google Workspace Admin panel. Here, log in with your Google Workspace account. And here in the right side panel, click on Data, then Data Import Export, and then Data Migration. So the data migration window will open on the right side, and here click on the Migrate under Microsoft OneDrive. So these are the steps that we need to follow to perform the migration. So first we need to connect to the Microsoft OneDrive. You can see here global admin account is required. So just connect to the Microsoft OneDrive. Here log in with your admin account. Provide the permissions and click on the accept button. Now our account is connected here. Here in the step 2 we need to set migration scope. So here it is asking for the CSV file. So we need to only add the source OneDrive users in the file. You can download the sample file from here. So here add your Microsoft 365 users whose OneDrive you want to migrate. So once the user are added, just save this file and upload here. You can see the file processing is 100% completed. Now go to the step 3. Here we need to map source and the target user accounts. So from here download the sample CSV file. Here we need to map the source user to the target. Here we have added the source users. So here we need to add the corresponding target users. So you can also cross map the users, like you can migrate Manoj data to the Abhishek account or Abhishek data to the Manoj account. So just save this file and upload here. Okay, so in the step 4 it is migration settings. So we can click on the edit button. So keep all things as it is. If you want to filter your data by date range, you can exclude particular file formats, or you can exclude the files larger than any size. So once these steps are done, you can click on the start migration button. So you can see here the migration is in progress, and it will provide all the details like how many tasks has been discovered and how many tasks are migrated. So you can see the files discovered here, folders migrated, files migrated. You will see all the details here. You can also export the migration report, or you can also export the user report. The migration method is very simple. Anyone can easily perform this migration, only you need to have proper access to perform the migration. Thank you guys for watching the complete video. If you have any queries regarding this, you can ask us in the comment section.
Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Also follow us on other social media platforms. Social media links are in the description.